I have to go to this camp. My parents made me come to this camp, so I'll just get off my video games. Where's the conductor guy, like the guy that's running this place? Here's the menu stuff. Alright. What does that say? Craft house. Food hall. Camp. Well, of course, I'm already in the camp. Arts and craft is over there. I see all these cabins. I don't want to go in that cabin. I want to be in this cabin. This cabin looks a lot better. Ooh, story time. Group B summer trip. It's over here. No. Kids summer camp. Convert the expertise testing facility. Camp Sundown is Labs C's first third party. Oh, whatever. That's not. Camper veterans are encouraged to engage in several summer tasks designed to ease the mind while promoting explorative thinking and problem solving. Camper. I want to go there. Camp Sundown contains 4 notable threat classes, 2 unique to this zone, and 2 which suck aboard and strangely seem to enjoy the scenery. Not scary at all. I'm gonna go to bed. You know what? No. I just got here. Let me have some fun. There's TV. What do we got on here? So, cooking with Meat Man. I don't want to watch this anymore. Wait, is that that's a camper? Wait for me! Wait for me! Hold on! Wait for me! Wait, hold up! Wait for me! Wait, hold on! Wait for me! Wait, hold on. Let me get this up. Where'd he go? Wait, hold on! Wait for me! Ugh, man, I'm getting tired. Wait for me! I'm over here! Wait, where are you going? Wait, what's that in his head? Oh no, it's starting to get a little dark. Ooh, this looks like a jungle spot. Hold on. Parkour. Okay, I see here. Bing! So right down there. Alright, I'm gonna complete this obstacle course real quick. Where you wanna go? Bing! Okay, now what? Okay, now we get back down here. Here we go. Climbing. Ugh, okay. Alright, it's starting to get a little dark. I think I'm gonna head to the cabin. I'm gonna be my imaginary friend there because there's nobody else here. They said this was a 5-star place. Alright, whatever. I'm just gonna watch this. Well, it's just recording the clip. There's literally nothing to it. Can I not climb on this? Oh, I can't. Okay. Huh, it's actually starting to get a little dark. I'm gonna get a little hungry. This guitar doesn't even work. I wonder if this place is abandoned. I'm gonna get something to eat real quick. What is there to eat? Okay. Ooh, vending machine. Oh, cool. Alright, I'm gonna take another one with me. Oh, it's starting to get dark. I better head back to cabins. No, wait, my drink. Give me that. It is starting to get a little dark. I better hurry. Let's go sleeping. Okay. Oh, no. Oh, there. Let me sleep in this cabin. Okay. I don't even know what I'm doing right now. Ooh, what's this? Item spawner. Whoa, that's so cool. Okay. It's nighttime right now. Scary at all. Wait. Oh, it's the camper. He's back. He must realize it's dark now. Okay. Hey, camper. What's up? Hey, you must be one of the other campers too. What were you? The cone is literally scared. Look at it. It's shaking. That's how scary that thing was. That's not a camper. Look how scared the cone is. It's just a cone and it's scared. Oh, I can't deal with this. I gotta get to bed. No, I can't do this with this. I gotta get to bed. Oh, no. That's scary. Let me put my Coca-Cola. I have to get my Coca-Cola. Come on. Okay, I got my Coca-Cola. Oh, it's empty. No, it is. I just might as well just take a nap.